Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to present to you my latest purchases from the UNIQLO store, which is located here in my neighborhood, most especially in the SM Olongapo City Central Shopping Mall. I was able to accumulate these items for the past few weeks. I did not buy one time for these items, but it took me two times to buy these items, and I was able to buy all the models in this particular item from the UNIQLO store. And I'm going to present to you one by one, and then have a product review of this particular item. The item that I'm going to present to you is their latest utility jacket, and it comes in 4 different colors. And as you can see, I'm presenting the first color, which is brown. Utility jacket has 3 pockets, one on the left side, and then there are 2 pockets on the left and the right of the hem portion. And at the back, just a simple one piece of cloth, and it has 4 buttons at the front. It has a hidden pocket on the right portion, and it has a button cuff on both sleeves. And I was able to get my usual size on the jackets for UNIQLO is small, and the price is 2,490. I bought this on the actual price because this is not yet offered on a sale for the past weeks. This was introduced, I think, on the first weeks of January. This is their early 2024 offerings on these jackets, and this is 100% cotton. The pockets have well reinforced at the back. As you can see, there is an extra cloth that is being sold, and there is no slits on the hem or on the side. So this is the brown. The next item is the denim. This is denim fabric. It is also 100% cotton, made 100% cotton, and the size is small. You have the same 3 pockets at the front, and I look at it, the weight of the denim is 12 ounces. It's relatively thick, and it's like the thickness of the regular Levi's denim jeans that you can buy in the Levi's store. And this is small, and they offered it in the same price, 2,490. The third color is color gray, and it is 100% cotton. It's the same price, the same description, and the same size. And the last one is color white. The price is the same, the size is the same, the product description is the same. It has white buttons as compared to the other colors which are black. And the pockets are reinforced. And I will show you the fitting of these four different colored utility jackets in my next segment of this video. With that, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any comments, please write down your comments below. And then if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that I can sustain this YouTube channel. And thank you for your support. And if you haven't clicked that notification bell, please do so that you will be updated on my latest video contents on this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.